Okay, I got my blades in yesterday, custom made. Got them from a local place. The motor is mocked up. Alright, and there's my engine mount sorted out. Welded a couple little tabs of metal on either side of the mount plate. That way it'll slide. A couple bolts for the pull tension on the belt. And the belt is in behind. Fingers out of the road. In behind there. My band tensioning is figured out. I'm going to be using a jack to put my tension on there. Got a little piece of angle iron underneath it to hold the jack in place. That way it doesn't fall out. I got a threaded rod with a nut on each side. That way I can adjust my tracking. She's getting so damn close. Still got to sort out my motor on top and my blade guides at the bottom, and then I can put her on the rest of the mill outside. Alright, there's the start of my blade guide. Just some square tubing. So you gotta work off the ratchet, loosen her off. She'll slide in and out for to adjust it. Tighten her back down again. Now I just gotta put my rollers on here, my bearings, for hold the blade in place. And then I gotta do the other side. There we go, motor's running, drive wheel spinning, guide bearings are on, idler, getting closer.